Hi everyone, Botgirl here. I'm from airSlate. We're a business automation software company, and one of our products is signNow, our eSignature solution. Today, I want to introduce you to signNow, cover why signNow matters to you, and talk about our deep integrations with Microsoft and the benefits these deliver for your customers. signNow is a comprehensive e-signature solution that serves to digitize documents, collect data in e-signatures, and help businesses to drive productivity, all while going paperless. The solution itself is more than a decade old and has more than 6 million global users. And as you can see, signNow offers a robust feature set too, including role-based signing orders for multiple signers, multiple sending options, court-admissible audit trails, and mobile applications to send and sign documents even on the go. So why signNow? First and foremost, signNow is a partner-friendly company. We are committed to empowering our partners and minimizing channel conflict. You can count on us to drive opportunities through the channel, and we offer NFR licenses to partners, digital marketing and sales enablement resources, and even free migration services for partners who are switching from a different e-signature provider. Next, we allow about 10 times the number of sends per user than our leading competitors, and we offer this at a price point that's about 25% less too. So you and your customers can access our feature set that is in parity with competitors, utilize the solution more with higher send limits, and count on transparent pricing at renewal with signNow. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, we understand that folks don't want to leave the business applications they use daily in order to send out a document for signature. That's why signNow has been committed to offering deep integrations with Microsoft tools such as M365, Dynamics 365, Microsoft Teams, Power Automate, and SharePoint. signNow allows organizations of all sizes to move their business forward by initiating e-signature workflows without leaving their Microsoft environment of choice. That means users can speed up their signature cycles with signNow for M365, so they can edit inside of Word or Excel, send the form for signature, and delight their signers with an automated signing guidance to help them complete every required field. A great call out here is that the person who is receiving the document to sign does not need a license to access and complete the form sent to them. Next, Microsoft Teams is all about collaboration, and signNow helps to improve this collaboration and provide visibility into signing status right inside Microsoft Teams. Similarly, a user can edit and send a document out and track the status inside of Teams, and they can access the signed documents right from Teams chat. Slow contract completion is costly for businesses, and slowdowns can be caused by manual data entry requirements for contracts, errors in completed forms, difficulty tracking status, and disorganized storage. signNow for Dynamics 365 helps to streamline all of these challenges with its data binding features. Ultimately, regardless of the Microsoft application of choice, signNow's available integrations help to save time and maximize ROI. In fact, signNow users report an average ROI of 700%. Let's watch this quick 50-second video about signNow's key Microsoft integrations.
How much time could you save if you connected document workflows to apps you know and love? With signNow's integrations with Microsoft applications, you can accelerate signature cycles without leaving the tools you use every day. Quickly generate sales contracts and update documents in real time using signNow's data binding with Microsoft Dynamics 365 records to streamline agreements. Easily send and sign documents directly from Microsoft Teams by adding the signNow add-in to speed up your signature workflows. And optimize your document processes and maximize efficiencies with signNow for Word, Excel, and SharePoint. With signNow's easy-to-use user interface and deep integrations with Microsoft applications, keep your business moving forward. Get started today.
So, are you ready to get started on your signNow journey? Make sure you check out our ACMP listing for more resources and the signNow NFR listing. If you'd like a product demo or have questions, you can reach out to psa@airslate.com. And don't forget to follow me, Botgirl, on social. You can find me on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube at airSlate Partner Community. Cheers and happy e-signing.